Meaning of Foggy Bottom.
Foggy Bottom.
Foggy Bottom.
Foggy Bottom.
Foggy Bottom. Foggy Bottom is a nickname for an area in Washington, D.C., located near the Potomac River. The neighborhood got its name in the 19th century because of the fog that would settle over the low-lying area. Today, it is known as a historic and cultural district, home to the George Washington University campus, the Kennedy Center for the Performing Arts, and several museums. It also houses many government buildings, including the U.S. Department of State. The neighborhood is popular with tourists and locals alike, known for its charming streets and diverse offerings.